Hi everyone, this is Phil from Countrywide and welcome to our very first edition of Meet the Manager. In these sessions, I'll be visiting with our franchise business owners to see what makes them tick and see what it's like to be a Countrywide franchisee. So today I'm with our Derbyshire franchise. We're going to be talking to them, asking them a few questions, but this is the franchise that is currently Franchise of the Year, Mr. Adam Passfield. So, Adam, how long have you been involved in Countrywide grounds maintenance, and what was it that made you want to become a franchisee?
So I got involved with Countrywide back in 2019. I decided to get involved as the business I had previous to this was non-contractual, which was good when it was going well, bad when it wasn't. The first of the month would roll around and it was just a different set of numbers to worry about. I liked Countrywide initially because it was a contract-based business with some stability.
What type of customers does Countrywide Derbyshire typically look after?
So we look after customers similar to where we are today, which we would class as estate management. So nice, out of town living complexes where the council no longer adopt the communal areas. So we step in and maintain them. We do a lot of these. We do a lot with education. We're up to 93 schools now across Derbyshire. Big in the industrial sector and also housing association. So I would say we cover the four main corners of grounds maintenance.
And what is it, do you feel, that makes your grounds maintenance services stand out?
So we first of all hire a team that cares. And the way we do that is we create a working environment where people enjoy coming to work, they're rewarded for going the extra distance, and they truly are respected. Second to that is our approach to machinery. We only use the latest and greatest equipment, and we have our own internal workshop that keeps everything maintained to a high standard, and we train the guys on how to look after the machines as well. Machinery is a huge part of this business, and if it's not reliable, your service isn't reliable. And then in terms of the customers, we like to provide them a video audit of their sites each year, showing them where we're at with the maintenance schedule and any improvements that we may suggest.
Adam, you're known as someone who's quite innovative within the network. What other services do you offer?
So we like to get started with grounds maintenance. That gets us on the site and gets us familiar. We like to be a solutions provider. There are not many services that you could ask us for that's outside of your building that we couldn't handle or get arranged for you. A few disciplines that we like to concentrate on would be our landscaping, exterior cleaning, and our car park line marking.
Adam, with the great things you've done over the last couple of years, what do you feel is your long-term ambition for Countrywide Derbyshire?
So my goal for Countrywide Derbyshire is to be associated as the company when people mention the word grounds maintenance. We are running towards this goal as we've fastly become one of the biggest privately owned contractors in Derbyshire.
Okay, brilliant. Adam, thank you for spending some time with me today on one of your sunny Derbyshire sites. It's been great to spend some time with you as always, and yeah, this is the first one, so hopefully you'll look forward to the next one. Cheers.